Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best in product reviews. Today, we've got something exciting to talk about. The Mi Far Car Roof Bag X BEEK Rooftop Cargo Carrier Bag. Spoiler alert! It's the best cargo roof basket available in the market. Now, before we dive into all the details, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you like what you see. Alright, let's get started. The Mi Far Car Roof Bag is designed to make your travels easier and more spacious. It's a soft rooftop storage solution that's perfect for those who don't want to commit to a hardtop. With a whopping 20 cubic feet of storage space, this thing is roomy. One of the standout features of this roof bag is its 100% waterproof and tear-proof material. It's made of 700D PVC tarpaulin with a grid pattern, and it's constructed using high-frequency voltage technology. Plus, it has a solid waterproof zipper with an overhang and heavy-duty Velcro to keep everything dry. Installing this roof bag is a breeze. It comes with an anti-slip mat, 10 reinforced straps, and 6 door hooks. The straps are sturdy and designed to keep your cargo securely in place, even during long trips. And check this out, it even includes a luggage lock for added security. Not only does it prevent the zippers from slipping, but it also deters anyone from tampering with your belongings. Plus, when you're not using it, the bag can be folded and stored in the included storage bag to save space. The Mi Far Car Roof Bag is incredibly versatile. It can be used with any sized car or SUV, whether you have a roof rack or not. That's right, it works with both. So, no matter what vehicle you have, you can enjoy the benefits of extra storage space. We managed to fit 2 medium-sized suitcases, 2 kids' duffel bags, 3 king-sized pillows, 2 kids' life vests, a toddler life vest, a large telescope, a box of diapers, several blankets, bags of clothes, and more. It's incredible how much you can pack into this thing. So, in summary, the Mi Far Car Roof Bag is a game-changer when it comes to adding extra storage space to your vehicle. It's waterproof, easy to install, and compatible with a wide range of vehicles. Plus, it's incredibly spacious. If you're planning a road trip or just need more room for your gear, this is the solution you've been looking for. That's it for today's review, folks. If you want to get your hands on the best cargo roof basket in the market, check out the Mi Far Car Roof Bag X BEEK Rooftop Cargo Carrier Bag. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video.